Dig faster! Let's get this thing out! Got it! Keep it steady! Look, the tracks are coming loose!
Come on, open up. Ugh! Almost got it. There we go. What's inside? Check this out, it's still here. You can see the layers of rust here. This thing's been sitting for decades. Given its condition and where we found it, I'd say it was probably abandoned during a retreat. Maybe saw heavy action before being left to rot.
Look at the hatches, they're all open. No signs of a fight, they just left it.
An emergency evacuation, that's the only explanation. Something spooked the crew bad enough to abandon a fully operational tank. Look at this. The engine's been tampered with. They didn't just leave, they had to abandon it. An emergency. They couldn't have gotten far on foot.
The crew must have abandoned it during an emergency. There's no sign of a fight.
The engine is damaged, but maybe recoverable.
Hey, pull harder! It's catching, keep going! One more together.
Subscribe for the next part.